me actually grab the title of the video again because I forgot. Oh yeah, so you're getting distracted, bro. Like, what is the reason you clicked on this video, to be honest? You clicked on this video to expect some, like, very cool video of me. Maybe you expected some edits, maybe you expected, I don't know, to build some parasocial relationship, as they call it. But the thing is, aren't you supposed to work right now? This is a setback, bro. This is me grabbing you by the balls right now, not literally. Telling you, like, you're getting distracted. There's no reason you watch this YouTube video. There's courses to watch. There's guides to watch. I got a full 8-hour guide on how to make money, how to make your first $1,000. And instead you're watching this video. But basically, I think you should watch a course right now. Um this might sound a little bit like I'm trying to get you to watch my own course or stuff like that. Well, I do have a free course. It's literally 8 hours long. I completely designed it to make you money. I made it so people can make money, so then they can buy my service, basically. So I give everything that I know away for free in this course, or at least everything that you need to know right now to make money. Um, yeah, man, I recommend you watch that because it can genuinely change your life. This is all the information that I know that helped me make money. So you can watch this right now. It's in the description somewhere. It's called the asset framework. Basically, every single letter stands for a new piece of, I don't know how you say it, a new chapter of information, basically. So you first talk about your habits, how to quit your bad habits, how to align your life to your business, basically. Then we talk about how we need to solidify the basics, so how to pick a niche, business principles, dream customer, market research, all that stuff. Then the thing after that is selling, and this is selling free stuff, bro. Basically, this is getting leads. If you struggle with getting leads, I don't know if you're doing an agency or having a coaching business, I don't care. This is, well, it is for them. We have the A from evaporating. How do you even say it, bro? Evaporating. Counter arguments. I don't know. I don't even know. Anyways, I'm yapping right now. The last part of the asset framework is the T. We basically speak about trials, tribulations, all that stuff. I would highly recommend you watch that course right now instead of watching like some random YouTube video, some guy trying to raise you up. Okay, so go watch it right now. Go watch another course if you prefer doing that, but stop watching these courses, bro. Or these like little YouTube videos, bro. It's not beneficial for your life, or at least most of them. I got some videos that are like good, but most of the videos you see online, they're fucked, bro. They're not going to help you out.